Hi YouTube, I know I told you guys I was going to come back to you guys and do an initial review on my hair from AliExpress. That's what we're going to do now, my initial review. So this is my hair from AliExpress. I purchased it from Cabelly, it's Cabelly. I love this hair. Now this is not its natural state. This is been curled, and I got this installed on Saturday, so today is Monday. It's been 2 days, and this is what it looks like. It's been curled, and nothing done to it. I possibly braid it, or I take it, put it in a ponytail, and twist the ends like this, and to be twist, and I put it into silk wraps. I use silk wrap like this, and I put it on the top, and then I tie it around, and I take my other silk wrap and this, and I put it over the whole thing of my hair, and it's my hair very beautiful. I get no tangles. Probably about 1-2 strands shedding. I don't care about that because that's good. For me, it's good. I don't get that every day. I get it maybe every other time I brush my hair. But yes, I have a 22, a 20, and an 18-inch one, and my longest bundle here. It comes down to my end of my belly button middle, and then I have this my 18, which she did trim the front. I like that. And maybe this is my 22. No, yeah, it's my 22. Anyways, I got it in there, but she did trim the front a little bit, and I like that because, see, last time I had my hair done with a stone, and I told her I didn't want to cut, but she's like, oh, you can't leave it long, so she cut the hair, and it was just like, you can tell she cut the hair, like, it was so bad, it was like really bad. So I'm glad she cut it in the front and didn't cut it in the back. Like, last time it just like somebody just took my hair and just chopped it right off, like, it was so horrible. So this is not its natural state, like I told you. I might show you its natural state. My wedding's on Friday, so this is the hair I'm wearing for Friday. I don't know if I'm going to straighten it. I might curl it because I like it when it's curled. And then probably next month I'm going to wear it in its natural state. I got one strand just now. See that? I got that. So what I use to control I'll because my hair is really short. I just use some of this here. I paid about $3 for it. $3 for it at Walmart. I use it on my edges and my leave out, and it blends it very well in. It's just like this. Nothing special. And I just take it very little bit. I just, pull my leave out and pull my leave out. So this is not, I don't have any edges out, so this is fine. Put it like this, like so. That's my son. straight. And I really recommend and love this hair. It's so soft. And like when the girl was doing my hair, by the way, her name is Styles by Via. And you can locate her on Instagram if you want to check her out. It's at Styles by Via. It's STYLESBYVEA. And you could check her out. She sells, she don't sell hair, but she has somebody that sells hair. Like I said, I got this off AliExpress. Yeah, so when she was doing it, she's like, oh my gosh, where'd you get this hair from? It's like so soft and the curl pattern is like so pretty. And I told her I got it off Cabelly, got the AliExpress. She's like, really? I never seen no hair like this off the AliExpress like that. But this hair is like, oh my god, I'm so glad I ordered this hair. I'm gonna use this to the death of it. These are my ends right now. I think I need a little bit of, but they're not that bad. I just haven't put nothing in it since I got it installed. These are my ends. They don't look that bad. They just look like they need a little bit. Yeah, install men too much. I might come back to you when I curl it or do a curl tutorial, or maybe even the natural state and how I take care of it. I even bought a water bottle because I'm gonna put it in here and mix it with some of the conditioner and spray. I might even get some argan oil and then spray it, wet it, and have it curly and beautiful and natural looking. So yeah. My husband's like, my fiance was like, what did you buy that for? I said, it's my hair. He's like, yeah, hair. I'm like, you'll see. You don't know. That's what I know. But, so yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link below. And tell me what you think about this hair, what you think about it. Order it. I really recommend it. It's very good hair. I paid $140 for it, and I love it. 3 bundles. So I really do like it. And it's very long and very pretty. So yeah, I have pictures on Instagram. If you want to check it out, how the hair looks. You post some pictures. Yeah, so comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.